Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss with you the next type of mutation, that is of gene mutation or point mutation. Okay, it can be take place in three ways. First one is of point mutation in gene mutation, especially it's the first of point mutation. Second is of inversion. Third is of frame shift mutation. Okay, so in point mutation, if you observe, I have given example of sickle cell anemia. Clear? In that case, this is a one kind of disease in human beings. In that case the shape of RBC gets to be destroyed. Okay, means shape is gets to be changed. Why is it so? And it leads the problem of anemia. So why it happens and how it happens? Suppose this is the genomic sequence of a person. Okay, so in sixth position of chromosome, or in sixth position, clear, the GAG code for GAG, as you know that genetic code always read in triplet form. Clear? Which we had discussed in 11th standard also in genetic code part. So GAG code for glutamic acid. Okay, so GAG in sixth position of chromosome gene, so it is in sixth position, GAG, and this GAG one triplet genetic code for one amino acid, and this amino acid is glutamic acid. Okay, so in the sickle cell anemia case, this sixth position of chromosome, this glutamic acid, in this glutamic acid is codes by GAG. Okay, the glutamic acid, you can see here, the glutamic acid code by the GAG triplet. GAG triplet जो amino acid को कोड करता है वो glutamic acid. But in case of sickle cell anemia, one position of one point, why it is point mutation? Because this nitrogenous base A, okay, is replaced by uracil. Clear? So only one point it replaced. So what happens at that time? If it replaced that time, it the triplet form is gets to be changed, और वो बन जाता है GUG, and GUG is codes for valine. Clear? So in place of glutamic acid, the set of the DNA codes for, means this DNA is not able to produce one type of amino acid, and that is of glutamic acid. Okay, and glutamic acid is replaced by one in glutamic acid, one nitrogenous base is replaced by another one, that is uracil, and this uracil containing a triplet form of genetic code, means GUG code for valine. ओके, नाउ इट्स अबाउट द सिकल सेल एनीमिया. और जहाँ पर वेलाइन सीक्रेट होने लगता है, इट मीन्स दैट इट शो द problem of sickle cell anemia, that is the chain sequence of hemoglobin. Okay, now second type of gene mutation is inversion. In sickle cell anemia, you have observed that only one point gets to be changed, but in case of inversion means they just split it in 180-degree angle. You can see here GAG. AG is just rotates itself in 180-degree Celsius, so then it codes for GGA. Clear? So here you can see that GAG code for another type of amino acid, and in place of GAG, if GGA takes place, so GGA will produce another type of amino acid. So if amino acid changes, so definitely it proves that the whole concept of gene gets to be changed. Okay, in frame shift type of mutation, you can see that it can be done by deletion or addition of it. Okay, I have written one example. Why did the cat eat the rat? Why I have written this example? Because you can see that all are in triplet form. Clear? If suppose, you can see that if suppose this D gets to be deleted from here, so the what will be the new triplet form? Y is correct. DIT is not having any sense for me. Okay, DIT का कोई मतलब ही नहीं होता है. So by this I am telling you that the whole sequence gets to be changed. अगर कोई भी delete हो जाता है, या suppose if one more D gets to be added here, that time what will be the triplet? Y did is correct. Then another one is DTH, then ECA, then TAE. So whole sequence gets to be disturbed or shifted. Clear? So by this also we can see that mutation can take place. Okay, these are the three types of point mutation. Now I am going to tell you about the different other categories of mutation by which we can also classify mutation. Okay, one is of somatic mutation or germinal mutation. Okay, what is somatic mutation? If mutation takes place in any vegetative cell, okay, so that time it's known as the somatic mutation. Suppose if I am giving you one example of chromosome cancer, that time cancer can be happen by the mutation also. Okay, so that time if that's why you observe that cancer disease is not transmitted from it not gets to be inherited from one generation to another generation. कैंसर कभी भी इनहेरिट नहीं होता है पेरेंट्स से बच्चों में. क्लियर? बिकॉज अगर कैंसर म्यूटेशन की वजह से हुआ है, so that time this is known as the somatic type of mutation. And germinal mutation means this type of mutation can takes place in germinal cells or lining of germinal gonads also. So gonads में जहाँ अगर mutation हो गया, definitely it gets to be inherited from one generation to next generation. Second type of classification is spontaneous mutation and induced mutation. Spontaneous mutation is it can be happen with the mutagens also, but induced mutation, as I told you, in case of polyploidy in plants, I have told you in case of wheat, in case of cotton. Clear? So these two are the examples of polyploidy. At that time also mutation gets to be induced. वो म्यूटेशन इंड्यूस किया गया है क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम बढ़ा रहे हैं. क्लियर? बाय द फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ ह्यूमंस की नई वेराइटी बनाने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग म्यूटेजेंस, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ म्यूटेशन इज इंड्यूस्ड, मीन्स ह्यूमन इंटरप्शन इज रिक्वायर्ड इन इट. सो दैट टाइम इट्स नोन एज द इंड्यूस्ड म्यूटेशन. Or another one is spontaneous mutation. Okay, now another category of classification of mutation is same sense mutation, anti-sense mutation or non-sense mutation. Mean that one example, GAG is codes for glutamic acid. Clear? If you remember, we had made genetic code AUG, UGG, UGC, such type of. Okay, if you remember it, in this triplet form of genetic code, GAG code for glutamic acid. If suppose a nitrogenous base is replaced by C. Clear? So that time also GCG is also code for glutamic acid. Clear? So same sense mutation means if any mutation takes place but the same triplet codes for same type of amino acid, that time is known as the same sense mutation. Anti-sense mutation means like sickle cell anemia, which we had discussed, GAG is replaced by GUG, that time glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Okay, so that is also that time what happened, the sense gets to be changed, anti-sense. Okay, now nonsense mutation, GAG code for glutamic acid. If suppose by mutation GAG is G is replaced by U. Clear? That time it codes for UAG, and UAG you know very well, that is a nonsense codon or stop codon or terminator codon, you know it very well. So UAG it's a जो 3 फॉर्म होते हैं जेनेटिक कोड में, वो नॉनसेंस या स्टॉप कोडॉन कहलाता है. उनमें से एक है UAG. क्लियर? सो UAG इज अ नॉनसेंस. अगर वो चेंज भी हो गया तो कोई सेंस नहीं बनाएगा. ओके, सो दीज आर द टाइप ऑफ म्यूटेशन. आई होप म्यूटेशन इज क्लियर. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग म्यूटेशन, सेंड मी योर क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.